Good evening, one and all present here, and my name is Palak from class 5th, and today I am going to telling you about climate change. So I will tell you about what is the climate change, reasons of climate change, efforts of climate change, and how to save climate. And also at the end of the video, I will tell you about one agency working to save climates. Okay, so I will start now. So first, as I told you, I will tell you about what is a climate change. So I will start now. What is climate change? First, I am telling you about this. Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather pattern that have a broad range of observed effects that are synonymous with the terms. It means that the climate change is an average weather pattern change. When the normal weather is going, that's known as weather pattern. Okay, so the weather pattern when it's changed, so that's called climate change. We all know what's a climate change, that sometimes it's normal temperature, normal climate, and then only again till 1-2 weeks raining has started. This happens in especially rainy season only, and one day much rain has happened, so this is called climate change. Okay, so I have tell you from the examples also, like if you live in the north side of India, so you would facing this problems that one time it's very changed weather together. Okay, so also I will tell you about the regions of climate change. So I will start now about what is the reasons for climate change. Climate change is caused by factors that includes occasion procedure, such as occasion circular. Okay, so some points are there I have written from how this happens. So I will tell you that. So that are biology process, variation in slurs received by Earth, plate technology, and volcanic eruptions, and include alteration of the natural world, which so it's the regions of climate change are biology processes, variation in solar system received by Earth, and plate technology and volcanic eruptions. We all know what is the volcanic eruptions, and include alteration for the natural world. Now I will tell you about the efforts of climate change. What are the efforts of climate change? And now I will start. Most frequent and instant drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glacier, and forming oceans, and directly harm animals, destroy the place they live, and wreaks havoc on people's livelihoods and communities. As climate change worsens, danger weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. So, the efforts of climate change are the most frequent instant drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels. So, most frequent it's instant drought storms, heating wave, rising sea levels. So we all know heating wave, rising sea levels. Sea levels are sometimes grow very much. So melting glaciers and forming oceans can directly harm animals. So what is a melting glacier? Melting glacier. For knowing about this, you can see in the description box. I have given you one video. I have made one video about glacier burst. You can see from there also. Okay. So the melting glacier can forming oceans can directly harm animals. So they can directly harm animals and destroy the place they live. Means they live at one place, they can destroy that place also, and wreak issues on people's livelihoods and communities. So it can also not only harms to the animals, it harms to people by livelihoods where they are living hoods, and also their communities. Okay, as climate change warps danger, weather events are becoming more far or survey. So it means that the climate can change, and sometimes it's known as danger weather also. Like sometimes happen, some rain has happened, and one you can say in Hindi that most water has come to one city and stay at one place, and the water pipe is not working, so that's called the danger weather, which has come quickly. This can also happen by the rain also, and also happen by some water has released from some dams or whatever, but most of the reason is rain. Okay, now I will tell you about how we can save climates. So there are, I have written 7 points how to save climates. So now I will tell you. The first point is say no to plastics. So why? Because we have to not use plastic, because it also causes our climate. Okay, so revolving to the reuse, we have to reuse the things, and which I just told you, that say no to plastics. You can make also some paper bags that helps you to reduce to say no to plastic, which reduce the plastic use also. And whenever possible, use public transport, because if you use public transport, sometimes the fuel or the smokes come less. Okay, switch to electric cars. Because which we are using diesel, petrol, that comes from the deep down from the earth. So it comes from the deep down from the earth, and it's very less nowadays. So we have to switch to electric cars, because it not need to the fuel, petrol or diesel, you can say. And stop chopping down the forest. We have to stop chopping down the forest, because the forest gives us fresh air, and also it gives us many things like wood and etc. things are there. There are so many things: oxygen, medicine, rubber, and like that. So I have to stop chopping down the forest. Turn that damn things off. We have to turn the damn things off. Okay. So as I told you in the starting of the video, that I will tell you about one agency which is working to save climates in India. So that is NRDC. So the full form of NRDC is National Research Development Corporation. So it is National Research Development Corporation. National Research Development Corporation. Saving climates also, and its founder is Government of India, and they founded in 1953. So this was about NRDC, and also I explained to you about what is a climate change and reasons of climate change, efforts of climate change, and also how to save climates. And I was telling this short about NRDC, and as I told you in the efforts of climate change about when melting glacier, you can get that video in the description box. So thank you for watching the video.